there. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. This is Hot Internet Marketing Products. And we're looking today, I think I'm going to pronounce it Kevin Jun. He'll hate that pronunciation. Has a product out called Prompts That Pay. And there's a marketplace called PromptBase. And so you're going to be able to create prompts with this and sell them in a marketplace. And so he talks about it in 3 steps. $17, by the way, for this. And you click the link in the podcast description. It'll take you to my site at marketingsharks.com. You'll see the article there for Prompts That Pay. Click the product box, click the link. It'll take you to the page. You can grab it for $17. And there's 310,000 listings, 500,000 plus buyers on PromptBase. And you can create the prompts. And you're going to love this. He went through PromptBase niche by niche, mapped every corner that actually has buyers sitting in it, and built a separate custom GPT for each one. So that came out to 112 machines, and the third upgrade adds 57 more for 2 other PromptBase categories. So the full stack reaches 169, not rewordings of one prompt, 169 different machines, each built for its own niche, each one handing the buyer a finished product plus the listing text to go with it, ready to upload the same day. So there's a whole bunch that's there, and I'll let you read through that. You click the product box and you're there, and here we go with the 3-step kind of thing. So 1 is write a recipe. It's a simple fill-in-the-blank ChatGPT prompt that makes one kind of image beautifully. Stickers, posters, coloring pages, more. You create the showcase, generate the example images that show your recipe at its best. The playbook tells you how many you need and which ones to lead with. And 3 is publish it properly. Package it with the listing formula, run the pre-published checklist, submit it to the marketplace correctly the first time, and keep going, because you don't need just one ChatGPT prompt for sale. You need a library of them to have an ongoing income stream that comes from that. And this income stream is put together for $17. It's called Prompts That Pay, fresh up today on the 31st of July. Well-known internet marketer. You can tell that he's put some work into the actual sales marketplace area called PromptBase. And it is all put together to crank out these prompts, list them, and sell them. And you couldn't ask for much more. So click the link in the podcast description, come to my site and check out a bit of information, and then click the link and you can grab it for $17. It's called Prompts That Pay, fresh out today, one of the top sellers. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. Click the link in the podcast description and go check out Prompts That Pay. Enjoy.